Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, walaikum assalam. All right, so let us continue the class from where we left our previous class. All right, now. So previously we were doing some questions from exercise 4A. Okay, and we're going to continue further. But before that, you had some doubts in some of the questions. You had doubt in some of the questions, right? The previous assignment in that you had some doubts. Okay, now. And also I did notice that particularly in prime factorization problems in which you have to use the prime factorization method to find the HCF, there you are doing a lot of mistake. Okay, so before we continue further, we are going to deal with those things first. Okay, first of all, regarding the doubt which you have shared me, there were questions like the question, there were the 4 questions right now. Like the first question, I am a multiple of 3 and I am between 40 and 50. Who could I be? So in this one, you had a doubt. Yes, Habib? You had a doubt in that question?
Yes.
So that isn't that difficult. See, the
No.
question is, I'm a multiple.
The answer.
Yeah, you have written the answer and the answers are, by the way, correct. You have written like 45. 45 is a multiple of 3 and it is between 40 and 45, 40 and 50. Right now. So the multiples
Yes.
of 3 that will
Sir,
lie between 40 and 50. Good. So it can either be
Sir,
45,
the answer is
45, yeah. And it can be 48 as well. Getting it now? So it could be either 45 or 48. The next question, as I can see, the next question was, I am a multiple of 8 and I am between 50 and 70. So the answer which you provided is 64. So that is also correct. Very good. Right now, 64. In the third question, the question was, the third question is that I am a multiple of 6 and I am also a multiple of 4. But I am less than, what is written over here? Yeah, but I am less than 30. Who am I? So I am a multiple of 6, right? And I'm also a multiple of 4, but I'm less than 30. So what number have you written for this one?
24.
24. Very good. So 6 4s are 24, 4 6 are 24. So both of them are multiple of 6 and 4 and it is less than 30. Very good. And in question number, last question, you had to write down a multiple of both 7 and 3 that is less than 50. So what answer you have given for this one? Question number 4, what you have written? 27.
24.
No, just wait a minute. Multiple of 7 and 3. And it has to be less than 50. Okay. Let us do this one. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. Okay. And 3 1s are 3, 6, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, right? 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, and 51. So here we get the condition of that is that it has a
Sir, the
multiple of both
answer
3 and 7 and it is in 50. Yes, the answer is. Now can you see there's a number greater than 27?
42.
42 now. So the answer for question number 4 is 42. The rest all your answers were correct. For the first 3 questions it was correct. Okay, now. So hope that is clear. So we are going to continue solving the questions from further, and today we'll be solving questions from exercise 4B as well. But just let me clean all this. Just hold on for a minute. By the way, when your vacation is going to end? Yes, Habib, when is your vacation ending?
Sir, I'm not going to school.
Okay. So in the question number 6, it says which of the following number are divisible by 9. So you know the condition, the divisibility rule for 9. So as per that, check which of them is divisible by 9. Just give me a moment. I will be back in just a second.
Well, I'm not going to school and I'm like doing his for 2 years.
Hmm. Which of them is divisible by 9?
See from school.
Which of them is divisible by 9? 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 Yes, Habib. What is the divisibility rule for the number 9? First of all, state that.
Wait. Yes, sir.
I was asking you what is the divisibility rule for 9?
9.
Yes. State the divisibility rule of 9. Yes, Habib. State the divisibility rule of 9. Didn't we learn that if the sum of the digits are divisible by 9, then the complete number is divisible? Yeah. Then solve it quickly. For question number A, 3 plus 0 plus 6 plus 2 plus 7, that is equal to 18. 8 is divisible by 9, hence the complete number is divisible by 9. Like this, check other numbers also. For the first one, we have found that the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, hence the complete number is divisible by 9. Understood this now? Keep on revising the divisibility rules which we have discussed.
Yes.
Okay, now every day keep on revising the different rules which we have learned. Okay, now okay, solve it quickly. After this, we'll be redoing the HCF, finding HCF using the prime factorization method and the division method also, because there you have done lots of mistakes. In your assignment, I noticed you have done some mistakes in that. Okay. What about question number B?
I'm doing.
Okay.
So it's not.
It's not, because the sum is 19.
Sir,
The sum
it's
of the
not.
digit is, it's not. Very good. What about option number C?
Sir, it's
It is.
divisible.
Very good. What? Because the sum of the digit is Habib, pay attention in the class. In option number C, the sum of the digit is
9.
so thereby the complete number is divisible by 9. Okay, option number D. 5 plus 0 plus 7 plus 9. See, it's simple addition. Why you are taking this much of time?
20.
21 now. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. So the number 21, is it divisible by 9? Of course, no. So hence this is not divisible by 9. Okay. Move on to option E.
15.
How much you are getting?
15.
Habib, do tell me. It's such a simple calculation. You have to simply add the numbers 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1. Upon addition, how can you will be getting 15?
I will add again. I will add.
Okay. Be careful while doing such simple calculations.
It's divisible.
Because the sum is 18 now. So hence this number is completely divisible by 9. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now question number 7. You know the rule for divisibility of 5 and 10, right? So it says divisible by both 5 or 10. Okay. So what about option number A? First of all, state the divisibility rule for 5. Which numbers would be divisible by 5? Answer the question which I have asked.
950.
No, what I
950.
listen carefully to the question. The question is state the divisibility rule of 5. When a number will be
Oh,
divisible by 5?
when the last digit is 0 or 5.
Very good. Right now. So simply look at the given numbers. If it is 0 or 5, then it will be divisible. Okay, what about option A? Option number
Yes.
A. It is divisible by 5 and 10 both.
Yes.
For
Yes.
10, the unit digit has to be 0. So yes, it is divisible by both. Okay, next.
Next also.
Next also good. Next
Sorry.
after this, option C.
It's divisible for 5 but not 10.
So it is not, because the question asks it has to be divisible by both 5 or 10. Okay. Option D. Yes, Habib. Yes. It's not that difficult.
Sir, can you
Repeat again.
Sir,
Option number.
I can't hear your voice.
Am I not audible? Let me check. Hello. See, my voice is going in the meeting. It's audible in the meeting. Here I can see my mic is perfectly working. Am I still
Okay.
not audible?
Yes, you're audible now.
Okay. See, question number D and E. Quickly answer this one.
The
Look at the unit digit.
it's divisible.
By both
Next
of them,
also divisible. Yeah.
right? Very good. Okay, now in question number 8, which of the following numbers are divisible by 11? Now that's a good question, right? Because the divisibility rule for 11 is somewhat interesting, right now. So let us do this question. So for question number A, 83,193. To find out whether it is divisible by this number or not. And you know what rule, what procedure you have to follow right now. First of all, you have to make alternate pairs. Find out the sum of the pairs of the digit and then find out their difference. So if the difference of the sum of alternate pair of digit is either 0 or 11 or multiple of 11, then it is divisible by 11. Will you be able to solve question number 8, Habib, or should I give you a hint? Try to recall it.
I will.
Try to. Good.
Sir, we
Yes,
have
Abhi.
to first like take the alternate digits 3, 9, then
Yeah.
8, 1, 3.
Yes, we have to take alternate digits like 8, 1, and 3, and then 3 and 9. Very good. Like that, you have to take
Yeah,
alternate digits.
then whatever, then after that,
After
then we
that,
add the
hmm,
alternate digits, right? Then
exactly.
whatever sum we get, we
So
have to find its divisible or not.
difference. Then you have to find its difference. So if difference comes as 0 or either 11 or a multiple of 11, then the complete number is divisible by 11. So do that thing. Okay.
No, it's not divisible.
It's not divisible. Okay. So what sum you are getting over here, by the way, of the
They are
alternate
different.
pair? No, you have done a mistake over here, Habib. See, you have to find separate sums. What you have done now, you have added 12 plus 12. You have added all the digits. The two pairs which you have found over here, like
No, it's
8,
divisible.
it's divisible now.
0.
The difference is 0. Very good. So it will be solved like this: 8 plus 1 plus 3, that is 12, and 3 plus 9, that is 12. And then in the second step, you have to find the difference, that is 12 minus 12, that gives you 0. So yes, this is divisible because we are getting the difference 0. Okay, move on to next question. Move on to next question. Once you have learned about this now, like how to take the alternate pairs properly, then the 50% work is done there.
Sir, it's divisible.
It's divisible. Okay. So what is the alternate pairs we have taken? So Sabib, you will take this two,
So
this two. Yeah, what? Okay. What were you saying?
I got some 0
Zero. Sum as 0 or different 0?
and different 0.
Different 0 now. So 2 plus 0 equals to 4. Then this is the first alternate pair. Second alternate pair is 0 plus 2 plus 2, that is also 4. Then step number 2, you have to find the difference, that is 4 minus 4 equals to 0. So hence it is divisible. Very good. Okay, question number C.
Sir, next one is not divisible.
Okay, what is the difference you are getting?
Difference 1, 6. Um, I got difference
Mm-hmm.
10.
10. Okay. So 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Right? 4 plus 1 is 5. See, Habib, your calculation is not really good. The difference is 11, not 10. Okay. 16 minus 5, that is 11. Okay,
It's
now
divisible.
set is divisible. Okay, now solve the last question.
Sir, next is not divisible.
It is not divisible. So what difference you are getting? Yeah, Habib, what is the difference you are getting?
I'm doing.
Okay. It's simple enough. Yes, Habib. Habib, it's not that difficult. By now, you should be able to find out the difference. See, it's simple enough. 3 plus 0 plus 4,
4.
and then 5 plus 6. That is 7. That is 11. The difference is 11 minus 7. That is 4.
Yeah, 4.
Huh? So thereby, it is
I told
neither
4.
4. You told. Okay, good. So neither, speak loudly. So neither it is 0, neither a multiple of 11. So hence, this number is not. The first three options, they are, but the last one is not. Okay. Now, question number 9, it's simple enough. Okay, you can do this yourself. Question number B. Okay, now quickly tell me what are the even numbers between 3119 and 3140 without doing it on your copy. Like 3120, 3122. Are you facing some
4
network issue today?
and 0.
Hmm. Say again, yeah. Habib, are you facing some network issue today? The numbers are 3120, 3122 right now. So simple thing what you are going to do now, simply write 312, and in the place of unit digit just write the even numbers. Right now 0, then you would be writing like I mean to say 2, then 4, 6, 8. Right now, then again start over with this, right? So I think that is simple enough. And question number 11, will you be able to solve this? You
Which
have to
one?
write
Question number
all the
10.
question number 10, I mean to say, actually you have to write all odd numbers between the given number. Do one thing, solve one of them at least. Solve option number solve option number B. Solve question number B. Yes, Habib.
Sir, done.
Done. Okay, what are the numbers you have got?
9891, 9893, 9895, 9897, 9899, 9811, 9813, 9815.
After 9899, what number you have written? 9899. After this, what number you were quoting?
9901.
9901. Then 9903.
3. Then
You just
9905.
right 9905, and like this you can till it will be 9913.
15.
13. The last number would be 9913. Okay.
The 15 also is all right.
So you have to write the number between them now. You have to write the number present in between these two numbers. So this number don't include this number or this number. What are the numbers present between them? Do not include those numbers. Okay. You have to find the number that is present between them. Okay. So hope you have understood this. Okay. So now you'd be doing questions from exercise 4B as well. But before that, we have to discuss some more things. Yes, Sumaya, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. Sumaya, this is on a regular basis, you are not joining the class on given time.
Sir, my mom's mobile was over, so she kept it in the charge. And she didn't saw that the message came.
Okay, be careful. By the way, I saw the assignment, the test paper. See, try to keep your test paper, the answer paper, neat and clean. Okay, now it was kind of messy, Sumaya. Okay. Although I have checked your test papers, and you guys would be by now you'd be updated with your test marks, but try to keep it neat and tidy. Okay, now otherwise it's a bit of inconvenient while checking. Okay. So we did discuss these questions. Next thing is that we are going to relearn about the HCF, because I did observe that you guys are having some difficulty in that. Okay. So HCF, and we did learn about HCF that it can be found in numerous ways. Can you guys name the different methods using which HCF can be found out? What were the different methods of finding HCF? We did learn about that in class. Quickly. Yes. What are the three methods which I told you guys?
Prime factorization method, distinct factorization method, and
division method.
Yeah, division method.
And there was one more. Listing method you were saying, no?
Yeah, I said.
Yeah. Okay, Sumaya and Habib. Right. So say for example, you had to find the factor of 16 or 24. There are two numbers. The factors of 16 are as follows: 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So that is the first method called as listing method, where you basically list out all the given factors. So that is listing method now. That is simple enough. So here you have to find out the highest common factor. So the highest common factor is, tell me, out of this, which is the highest common factor?
The highest common factor of this is a 4. 4.
Not 4. Forgot about 8. What
8,
about 8?
8.
Good. That is 8 now. 8. So that is the listing method, which you guys have learned about. Right. And this was one more method of prime factorization. Prime factorization method. So we did learn about the factor tree method in this factor tree. We did learn about factor tree. So what we did in this now, write down all break we have to write the prime factors of 16 and 24. So 16 we can break it down as 2 times 8, right? 8 can be further written as 2 times 4. 4 can be further written as 2 times 2, right now. So we have broken it as the product of prime numbers. 2 is a prime number now, right?
Yes.
Then 24 can be written as 3 times 8, that is 24. 8 can be written as 2 times 4, and 4 can be further written as 2 times 2. Habib, you particularly pay attention to this. Okay. So then you are going to write down the prime factorization of 16. So which you have got as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. All of this have to be written down. Okay, now what I noticed now, Habib, particularly in your assignment, that you were writing down these numbers also. So while doing prime factorization, you have to only write the prime numbers in the step. Okay, now don't
Sir,
write the composite number.
I wrote the composite number, then I broke it into.
Yeah, you broke it, but you didn't took all the numbers properly. I will be pointing out your mistake. Just 1 minute. And what about the 24? So then you would be have to take these numbers, this 3, this 2, this 2, and this 2. So that will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Right now? So far, okay? So far, it's clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then which of them is common? 2 is this 2 is common, this 2 is common, and this 2 is common. That's all. Right now? This 2 is extra, this 3 is extra. So we will leave them. Okay, now? This is not common. So then you have to take this 2 times 2 times 2. So thereby that is 8. That is 8. So hope that is clear. That was the prime factorization method using which you can find out the HCF of the given numbers. Okay, now?
Sir, 2 times 2 times 2 is 6.
How can it be 6? Think about it. 2 times 2
2
is
3
4.
6.
4 2 2 3s.
And
Here you are not adding them. Yes, Sumaya?
it's multiplication.
It's multiplication. Okay, na? It's multiplication. Getting it, hobby? Be careful. So that is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Sumaya, it is clear to you also, na?
Yes.
And then the third method was division method. So let us take again the number 16 and 24. So 16 ones are 16. 24 minus 16, that is 8. You take this as the new dividend. So then 8 twos are 16. And hence 8 is the HCF. That was the division method which we have learned. Right? Okay. So on this, I'm going to give you guys some questions. You guys would be required to solve some questions, and then we would be moving on to your next exercise questions. All right. So solve these questions. The question you have to first of all find the factor of 15 and 28. The method you have to use is prime factorization method. Find the HCF using the prime factorization method. Both of you, and you will be answering answering in the chat box. Okay. After this, I'm giving one more question. Find the HCF of 36 and 45 also using the same prime factorization method. So solve these two questions as soon as possible.
But we need to know the HCF of it.
HCF. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no? The first question is an interesting question, by the way. Okay. And Sumaya, your school hasn't reopened, right? And has it reopened or not?
My school, the school still didn't start.
Okay. So, oh, by the way, do let me know about your half yearly exam. Have you got any update regarding your half yearly exams when it is going to be?
Okay, I'll check if they send anything.
Okay, check it and do let me know. And do let me know about your half yearly exam syllabus also if you have got any.
Can I try to tell it after the class? I don't know now. I have to write the answer.
Okay. Make sure after the class you tell it. Okay. Hmm.
Sir, I couldn't do question.
See, it's really very important. Really easy, not that difficult.
Sir, I did
Hmm.
15. I got 3 into 5.
Okay.
Then 28. I got 7 into 4. Then I break 4 into 2 into 2.
Okay. Do one thing. For the first question, if you guys are unable to get your answer using the prime factorization method, so you can use the listing method also. Factor listing method. Where you will list down all the factor. So use the factor listing method also for this. For the first question, use the factor listing method also, guys. Sumaya, you also use the factor listing method.
Sir, got the answer.
Okay, answer in the chat box.
Okay. What name do I set it in?
On this ID, on this one.
Okay. Wait, I have to type. Wait, I'll do the next one. The next.
Sumaya, you have to give the answer.
And
Don't write the steps. What is the HCF? You have to try to write the HCF. Okay, no.
Okay.
And
Okay.
if you don't get the answer using the prime factorization method, which you won't be able to get, by the way, so use the factor listing method to solve the first question. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Sir, I got answer for the first one.
Okay. Answer in the chat box quickly. Yes, Habib, done. Yeah, very good, Habib. That is correct. Very good. Okay, now solve the next question.
Sir, next question we can do by both methods, factorization method and
Yeah,
listing also.
You can use any of the method, whichever you find convenient. But you do one thing: solve it using the prime factorization method, because that would be much more important. Okay, Sumaya, you need help in the first question.
I didn't understand it.
Okay, see, by factor listing method, you will write down all the factors of the number. One is a factor, one is a factor. Okay, 3 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 5 is a factor of the number 15. After 5, the number itself is the factor. Then here you have 4, 7, 14, and then 28. So, are you getting any common factor other than 1 in this? Huh?
Sir,
No other number is common factor
No,
right
yeah.
now. So the
Yes.
only common factor is 1, and that will also be the HCF of the number. So HCF is 1 for the first question. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Habib.
sir, 9 is not a prime number, right?
Yeah, 9 is not a prime number. Exactly. Nine is not a prime number because it's a composite number.
Sir, after do the next question.
Yeah, of course you have to the next question. Don't wait. Solve it quickly, guys. See, we just get a 60-minute class, and in that also like 5 minutes is wasted here and there while joining the class and all that. So at least let's make the other 55 or 56 minutes be very productive. Okay, no? Okay, HCF you are getting this number. Okay, but that is not correct, na Habib. Huh? The answer which you have given, it's very less. Sumaya, what about you?
Sir, almost done. Wait.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Do I have to say it or do I have to write in
No.
the chat box?
In the
Can I
chat
say?
box. See, Habib, do tell me, is the number 6 a factor of 45? Is it divisible? The number 45, is it divisible by 6? The number 45, it's not divisible by 6. How can it be even a factor? It's not even a factor, then how can it be a highest common factor? Okay. Yes, Sumaya, you have few more seconds to answer.
Sir, even if I would be done, but then it would take time to type in the chat box.
Just tell me the answer then.
Okay, wait.
Okay. Mhm.
Wait.
Habib, first of all, break the number in the as the product of its prime factor. 36. First of all, write this as 9 times 4. Then write down 9 as 3 times 3. Then 4 will be 2 times 2.
Sir,
Yes.
I got answer.
Okay. What answer you are getting?
Chat box or
In the class. In the class.
18.
18. No. You have messed it up. See. Listen carefully, both of you. Sumaya, you done? Yeah, Sumaya, you done? Okay, see.
Done, but I don't understand what would be the highest
See,
common factor.
9 4s are 36. Okay. 9 5s are 45. Both of you pay attention in the class right now. Stop doing what you're doing. Stop whatever you're doing. Then 9 will be further broken as 3 times 3, that is 9. 4 will be 2 times 2, that is 4. This 9 will be 3 times 3, and 5 will be simply 5. No need to break it further. Then write down all the given
Wait, sir.
values.
Wait. I'll be right back. Wait.
Okay. So this 3, this 3, this 2, and this 2, and this 3, this 3, and this 5. We have to take all the prime numbers and then write down it over here. That is 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. Okay. Now, if you are in doubt whether I have written this correctly or not, simply multiply this. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Okay, my method is correct. And here it is 3 times 3 times 5. 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 5, that is 45. So here, using the prime factorization method, you have broken it down as the product of prime numbers, prime factors. Okay. Now, what does the next step says? You have to simply circle the common factors. So this 3 is common. Okay, circle it. This 3 is also common. Circle it. Right? Are there any other numbers which you can take common?
No.
No. So simple enough. The HCF is 3 times 3. That is 9. And as Habib, like you were answering 18. So 18 will be dividing 36, but will it be dividing 45? No. So that is not even a divisor, not even a factor of the number. Sumaya, you understood this?
Yes.
Okay, come on, you guys. I'm giving some more questions to solve. Okay. Now
Yes.
this time I'm giving three numbers. They are small numbers: 12, 48, and 72.
You have to find the highest common factor.
Yeah, of these three numbers using the prime factorization method. Okay.
Okay.
You guys have 3 minutes to solve this. So increase your speed.
Influence.
Yeah. Increase your speed. Just 1 more minute remaining.
the highest common factor 12.
Very good. That is correct. Okay. What about you? You also getting the same value, Habib?
No, I'm doing.
Okay, okay. See, the time is over now. 3 4s are 12. Then 4 will be further broken as 2 times 2. 3 16s are 48. 16 will be further broken into 4 times 2 times 8. 2 times 8. 8 will be further broken as 2 times 4. Then this 4 will again be further broken down as 2 times 2. Like this. Then talking about this number 72. This you can break it down as 9 8s are 72. Right, Habib? 9 will be further broken as 3 times 3. And 8 can be further broken as 2 times 4. This 4 will be further broken as 2 times 2. So then you have to circle out or mark out all the prime numbers. This 3, this 2, and this 2. 3, this 2, this 2, this 2, and this 2. 3, 3, 2, 2, and 2. And then write them accordingly over here. The 12 equals to 3 times 2 times 2, right? So 48 it is. You guys will be telling me. For 48, what should I be writing? Habib?
Yes.
What should I write over here?
48. 3,
Hmm.
3, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Just these two. And what about these two?
Yeah, I told that.
Yeah. Right? Good. What about 72, Sumaya? What do I write over here?
2, 2,
Starting from 3.
3, then 2, 2, 2.
Very good. Now basically circle out the common factors. So this 3 will be common, right? It is common in all of them, right? Okay. And then this 2, and this 2 is common in all of them, right? Okay. And there's one more 2 which is common, right? That much only. So thereby HCF is 3 times 2 times 2. This 3, this 2, and this 2. So that is 12, and that is the correct answer for the given question. Hope that is clear. Okay.
Yes.
So you guys understood this, no? Okay. So in the chapter, we have learned the divisibility rules. We have learned so many things in the given chapter, factors and multiples. So in the upcoming classes, we would be mainly focusing on on the exercise questions. All right, now the exercise questions will be basically doing those questions. If you guys have any other doubts from the chapter, please let me know.
Okay.
Habib, you have any doubt?
No.
Okay, how about you guys practice some questions on LCM also, okay? So I am giving you 3 numbers, 88, 94. Okay, just let us start with a smaller number first of all. So take the number as 12, 16, and 18. Find the LCM of these 3 numbers using whatever method you find suitable for you. Using whatever method, any method you can find the LCM. Yes, Habib, what happened?
Nothing.
Solve it.
So can we find it in division method?
For this one, okay, you can do that also.
So also listing method also.
Yeah, you can use the listing method also. You can use the listing method, you can use the prime factorization method, or in fact, you can use the division method also. There are 3 methods to find it out. You can solve it. I will be back in a minute. Yeah, I'm back. Okay, anyone of you solved it?
Sir, the
Okay.
lowest common. Sir, the
Lowest common multiple.
Yeah, the lowest common
One.
factor for me is 1.
Yes,
One.
one.
How can one even be a LCM, or how can even two be a LCM? Guys, you have to find the multiple, not the factor. Multiple, you have to find the multiple, not the factor, Habib and Sumaya.